State-level skill competition 2023-24 organized by Manipur Society for Skill Development under Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, Government of India was held at Government ITI Imphal, Takil and JCRE Skill Solution, Kwakaitel today. Speaking on the occasion, Assistant Program Officer of Manipur Society for Skill Development, Amarjit Rajkumar, emphasized the main goal of the competition as discovering the hidden talents of youths. Highlighting the norms of competition, he mentioned that there were 7 different trades in which a total of 23 contestants participated. He remarked that each skill category will have one representative advancing to national level skill development competition, which will further give them opportunity to reach international level if they succeed.
MSD Haraga Khanariba Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship ke makhada lairibsina pre-screening tawdana akhoi trade tareta mi kulumdoi khak phagjai qualified ore hadana hairiba qualified oreba competitor haitare masi mayam se akoina competition tawna bagi ngasi sinjabani Manipur Society for Skill Development pangthok sariba competition asi mafam anida pangthok sai government ITI Imphal Takil sida trade manga si akoina choose tawraga competition tawna bagi si pangthok sabani mafam amana JCRE Skill Solution Kwakaitel da lairiba training center sida di restaurant service ka hotel reception ge si competition tawna bagi mafam center oina khanjaraga competition asi huji chathajari hariba trade mayam sigi marak sida akoina state level da amam khangacharaga national gi thakta puhatuna national competition tawra matungda national competition da mai paklaba candidates singdu world skill competitions the yaw yana bi tanja du lobuya hena ithamjage.
Proprietor of L's Cakes and Bakes, who was also a jury member of the competition, Elizabeth Maitram, highlighted the abundance of talented youth in the state. However, she pointed out lack of guidance available to them. She appreciated the government for organizing such program and expressed her confidence in potential for more similar initiatives in future.
Education is just for wisdom, to gain wisdom. Asina akoina thabak phangbada mating pangni habidi na education is a tool. Habidi mi se promote toba mi se hena mamit mana singbada hena eye opening oibagi eye catching oiba kenoma koida education sina pi hai tare koi angang singsi yamna like tashu haiba aduga laishu da su khangba aduga skill da masagi moina tawjagadaba potse kodai da upgrade toba yai habisi thidokpa machang ye skill je creativity designing oiba yai aduga sumaina thidoktana potana moigi skill je upgrade toba da mafam jack pi bese siam thaganingai ne na khalle amna chawkatningai lei sumaina sarkar na mayam sumaina sindi betaragadi iramdam si unemployed oibagi youth ki kanu problem se thoroi dugi irang thoiba mayam si joloina subside to gidra na khalle kaigumba khoi angang sing se masam gi skill phajana mamit pang mangamba masam gi phire lepcha ki bangamba taragadi yam phaba kaino ne na khanjai.